These are the funniest moments in Airsoft history. When this guy was shooting on the ground, trying to catch one of his BBs, his friend got a brilliant idea.
What are you trying to do? Trying to catch it? Yeah.
So he randomly started full autoing in his face, while he wasn't even able to catch a single bullet. This guy distracted the enemies so his friend could take them out with ease. A group of Airsoft players were hiding in a basement, so they sent in their juggernaut with a shotgun. I guess you've never seen a rocket launcher in Airsoft, but that is exactly what these guys did. They just put a grenade in a pipe and fired it onto the enemies.